In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Splitwise expenses. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can quickly download your group's expenses into a spreadsheet and use them for reports, budgeting, or sharing with others. Make sure you're already logged into your Splitwise account in your web browser before we begin, as this tutorial focuses on the desktop web version, not the mobile app. First, start on your main Splitwise dashboard. On this page, you'll see a list of all your groups on the left-hand side, such as trips, apartments, or shared projects. Look through that list and click on the group whose expenses you want to export. This might be a travel group, a house share, or any other group you've been using to track expenses. Once you've clicked on the group name, you'll be taken into that group's page. Here, you'll see the full list of expenses in the middle of the screen, along with the balances and members. Take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct group, especially if you have several with similar names. The export will only include expenses from the group you currently have open. Now, inside that group, you'll see individual expenses listed in a timeline or list format. You don't need to open or edit each expense to export them, but it can help to quickly scan through and make sure everything looks correct. If you spot anything that needs to be updated, this is a good time to fix descriptions, amounts, or who paid, since those details will all appear in your exported file. Next, look toward the top area of the group page for a gear icon or a settings menu. This icon usually appears near the group name or in the upper right section of the group header. Click on the gear or settings option to open a small drop-down menu of actions related to this group. In that drop-down, you'll see an option labeled Export as Spreadsheet. Go ahead and click on that. Splitwise will now prepare a file, typically a CSV or similar spreadsheet format, containing all the expenses for this group. Your browser will either automatically download the file or ask where you want to save it on your computer. Once the download is complete, you can open the file in Excel, Google Sheets, or any other spreadsheet program. From there, you can sort, filter, and analyze your expenses, create summaries, or share the file with your group members as needed.